Beads and braids are so aesthetically beautiful that I had to try it out on my natural hair. So no feed-ins, no crochet hair, none of that. What's up, Kinks crew? Welcome back to my natural hair channel, Locks of Kinks. It's yours truly, Scotty. Today I'm going to show you how to do this protective style, beads and braids, or braids and beads. Yeah. I blow dried my hair the night before and just threw Bantu knots in to keep it stretched overnight while I slept. And forgive me, it's pretty early, and since I'm doing my hair on my own, I wanted to get an early start. So I'm just going through taking these out. This dry Bantu knot is one of my favorite quick styles. It's super cute and easy, and my curls are always fluffy. But this video isn't about that today. Today we are working on throwing in a protective style so I don't have to do my hair for a few weeks because I'm feeling super lazy. I'm actually going to run the blow dryer through my hair again using my favorite handheld blow dryer. This blow dryer is actually made in Japan. My homegirl put me on, and I haven't looked to another blow dryer since. It takes away the need to use any other tool to blow dry your hair, for it already has everything you need. You just run it through your hair like a brush, and that's it. If you're looking to get your hands on one, check out the link below. Now I'm parting my hair in a front and back section for this style, and I'll be working with the back section first, so I'm going to pin the front section out of the way. Now, I don't know how most people do their own hair, but I cannot do my own hair without two mirrors. I literally sit in between two mirrors, and this allows me to be able to see everything I normally wouldn't, like the back and the sides of my head. If you're doing your hair by yourself, I would highly suggest getting two mirrors and prop them up in front of one another. Now I am pre-parting my hair, as I like to call it. This allows me to envision how big I want my parts, making sure my hair is parted evenly before wasting my time putting these braids in, just to realize this section is ugly and uneven and I have to start over. So I just part and twist my hair about halfway down. Once I see this section is to my liking, I am ready to get started. To ensure my parts are very neat, I am placing Murray's Edgewax to my roots, but you can use gel as well. Othello on the You can see I prefer my parts to be in triangles, but you may like something different like squares or circles. I will say as long as you're in between those two mirrors, it will save your life and you can create whatever crazy design you can imagine. So at this point, I wasn't sure if my hair was going to look right because I thought the plaits were a little too small for my liking. And I know we all have those moments where we've cried because our hair did not come out right. Yeah, that was definitely going to be me, but I decided to keep going anyway. So now with the back section all plaited up, it's time to move on to the front section, the braids. I knew I wanted a braid to fall right above my ear, so I'm just parting off my hair for that, and again applying the Murray's Edgewax to my roots to ensure a neat braid. So it kept stopping my recording. So at this point I've gotten done one side in the front, and I did what I did in the back with pre-parting my hair, making sure the braids are going to be as big as I would like and parted where I want them to be. So if you do not know how to braid, I'm so sorry, this video may not be for you. I am no good at explaining how to braid. It took me forever to get braiding down, and even still I'm not a professional. My mom taught me, and I remember always practicing on my baby dolls, but I could never get neat braids back then. Had the concept down, but the braids were just ugly. I would say a tip to neat braids is to take your time. I know it looks cool to go as fast as you often see braiders doing on social media, but I feel that will be developed with time. Making sure you're taking your time and grip even pieces all the way through the braid is what I've learned to having neat braids. At this point, my arms are so tired, but I'm determined to push through because I'm almost finished. Something to look forward to when you're doing your own hair. Just know your arms are going to be hurting. But wait, I almost forgot the beads. As you guys can see, I've done majority of them off camera, but I saved a few just for you guys. I'll be using my handy dandy beater, and you guys, this is the first time ever I'm using this. My mom just beaded my hair the old-fashioned way, but these beads were so tiny, I could not see myself taking hours just to put on small beads. So basically what you do is load up the beater with the beads and pattern that you want. Then you're going to put your hair inside of the beater, hold the ends of your hair, and slide the beads right on. To secure the beads, I take the end of my braid and fold it upward over the last bead, making sure the bead is as close to the end without falling off. And I'm going to take a rubber band and wrap it around and around until tightened. So I know I'm going to get trolled for using the rubber bands, but I've never put beads on my hair any other way, so I'm not going to stop now. I did, however, make sure I oiled the ends of my hair before applying them. So this look, it was inspired by a protective style that I had gotten a couple months ago, and I'm going to insert that picture below or here, here, wherever. It's going to be there. So this hairstyle, it just makes me so happy because I feel like a kid again. I get to rock these colorful beads, but also protecting my natural hair as well. It also gives me a sense of nostalgia because, I mean, come on. What black mother wasn't putting their daughter in braids and beads? Okay. Shout out to you, mommy. I love you. You always kept me styling back in the day, okay? Mwah, I love you. Mama made sure my hair was done, okay?